Hello, buddies. If you guys are thinking to start a trading journey now, you are at the right place. Okay, this is the first step that you should know about a trading. Okay, before knowing anything about the trading, you guys must know about this thing. All right, so this is entry, exit, and how to set your stop loss. All right, so this is the screen on the Bybit. Okay, the trading account on Bybit. All right, so let me show you all right, so if you guys wanted to open a long position from here, all right, so just an example. Okay, I'm giving you all an example. So if you wanted to start a long position from here, okay, so you come over here and you get a long position over here. All right, the symbol for long position, and you can make like this over here. Okay, so if you wanted to start a long position, what you do is at the market price, you wanted to buy at immediately on the market price. Okay, so you come over this text, this panel. All right, so you can see, and it will look similar on your phone as well. All right, so it will have a similar features. So if you keep over cross, let me explain about this cross and isolated trading on next video. Don't miss that video. All right, it's coming soon. So for now, I will just keep it as a cross. And leverage, this is a leverage. Okay, so you can range from 1x 10x, any leverage. Okay, so you can manage your leverage over here. All right, so if you wanted to buy at the market price, okay, so you just buy, this is the percentage how much you want to invest of your total money. Okay, from your total money how much you wanted to invest. All right, so 10%, if it's like a 5%, or for example 5%. Okay, so 5%, what you do, what's your TP now? TP is your target point. All right, so this becomes your target point. All right, so that is becoming around 67,125. 67,125 becomes your target. All right, and just a small demo. Okay, and what's your stop loss around 66,700, 66,670, 66,700, 66,670, yeah, 670. All right, so this is now my TP is set, target is set. All right, so just go and buy long. All right, so this one, so you can see over here. All right, so we have in our position, okay, orders. Okay, in the position you can see open, this one is open position, the quantity, entry point, your mark price. Okay, and your realized and unrealized profit. For now, how much profit are you in running? Okay, so these things you can see over here, so you can share from here also, like okay, so your cards. All right, so this is totally for the beginners. All right, for example, if you wanted to set your TP1 and TP2, all right, for example, you have a TP1. All right, so TP1 towards over here around $66,942, $43, $66,943. You come over here and set your $66,943. So that's going to be a TP. So how much you wanted to book your profit? Okay, so you can book from here, for example 25%. Okay, so just confirm it. Okay, so the next it will show over here on your uh, open position. All right, so this is how you can set your TP. So accordingly you can set for TP1, TP2 also similar, and you come over here. If you have another TP, if you wanted to book your TP over here, all right, so around 67,000, let's say 67,015. Okay, 67,000, $15, $15. All right, so you can set, like if you wanted to book 25% again, so set it 25%, so your limit order is being set. All right, so accordingly like that you can set your TPs. Okay, limit order set TPs. For example, if you wanted to book immediately, like when the price is going up, so immediately you wanted to book. Okay, you come to market price. Okay, and you like you book your profit, how much you wanted to book. Okay, this shows the percentage. You just track it and confirm it. Okay, so if you confirm, so 25% is getting booked. Okay, so that's how you are going to set your TPs entries, how to do your entries and how to put your SL and TP. This is for the totally for the beginners, those who are interested in trading. All right, so next thing that is on limit order, right? So okay, so if you wanted to set previously we have learned how to do on market price, right? And now if you wanted to do on the limit price, what you can do is like you can come over here if you wanted to sell over here, but the price is still down over there, right? So when the price reaches over there, you want to sell, right? So you can set a limit orders. So when you want to sell, that is $67,083, right? So $67,083. Okay, and value, how much value you wanted to invest around, for example, 10%. Okay, so 10%, and your TP you can set over here when you want to take profit. That is around $66,300. All right, and your stop loss will be around 67,274. 67,274. So here it will show your loss, how much you want to, how much you will lose and how much you will gain. Okay, so always keep this on in the last. Okay, if it is on the short position, if it's in the long position, remember, change this one into mark price. All right, into mark price. All right, so don't forget that one. Okay, so you can set your uh, limit orders. All right, so limit order is being set. You can check over here. So this is a limit orders for you. All right, and you can check on your open order as well. Okay, it will show over here. Okay, this is your open order. Okay, so this is how you are going to set your limit order entry. Okay, so previously it was a market order entry, and this is a limit order entry. All right, so on next video I'm going to give you all how to, where to enter and where to exit and where to keep your stop loss. Okay, so I will upload a video on with that resource, so that will be helpful for you all. All right, so if you have, if you don't have an account yet, I have a link on my description box to get a huge bonus, exclusive bonus on your trading. Okay, on your deposit, you can use my referral link. I have left below on my description box. Okay, you can, and you can immediately open an account. All right, so this is on Bybit. All right, so that's all for setting entry, like and at the market price and the limit orders. Okay, so that's all. So we can cancel over here also immediately. Okay, so that's all for the entries. Bye.